I think we came in that way. Now we're lost. We'll find our way out. Because I'll have to post this video so you guys can find us. So we found a trail that some of the teenagers know about. And it's a fort. All the way back in the woods. As you can see,
I don't want to be in it.
Johnny's in it.
Johnny's in it.
So I'm gonna walk around and show you guys. Okay, look at that. That's like a lot of time.
I don't want to be in this video.
It was a long time enough to put it. Yeah.
How tall? What is that, about like 5 foot tall, you think?
Yeah, I'd say 4 foot 9 to 5 feet.
Look at that.
The way it is to my chest. No, up to here, I think it's almost 6 feet tall.
I know.
At height.
How'd you get in, babe?
Right through here. Right there.
There's something else back there, too.
So here.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this.
Where aren't you going?
I don't know. I don't know how I want to go. Here, I need to take my camera.
Alright. No! Don't do that. Okay. As you can see, there's not much in here. Besides this one table and a lonely vase. It just looks ancient, honestly.
Wait from what's up.
This was ancient though, I think it was cool. Barely made it in.
I wouldn't want to come here at nighttime.
Dominic made a joke one day that he said we could draw a pentagram right here. I dare you to do it in here. Oh my god.
Hey guys, look at that. That's crazy. Johnny don't.
No, I had to draw
Look at all that twined in together. This is kind of scary back here.
Straight?
So I have my. Oh guys, you don't know where you guys are going now?
Oh, we're trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out.
I remember going this way because it had like the spikier branches.
So I think we came in that way. Now we're lost. We'll find our way out. Because I'll have to post this video so you guys can find us.
It's like scary stuff.
No, because there's the house over there.
Let's find our way out.
But some people come here at night. Right, John?
That's what I hear.
Yeah.
I think that's sketchy. I wouldn't do it.
We didn't escape.
Honestly, I don't even like walking around our campground at night.
No.
I couldn't imagine doing something sketchy like that.
God only knows, like, the Slender
Yeah,
Man
I don't
could be
know,
out
like,
here.
what's back here.
God only knows, like, something like Slender Man could be out here.
That way or this way? That way. Is it?
Is it that? I thought it was straight.
I was thinking Slender Man
You go
out
straight,
here
like,
or
there's a
something.
camper, like, there's this way. No, Marquis, stay. Marquis, get him. Hey, you want to hold on to the dog?
Guys, we made it out of the woods. Look, we're back on trails. No, we're back on the main road.
What is what?
So,
What are we?
look, I see
God,
John's
if
car.
you went
Look,
to New York,
there's
and
our
old man-
site.
Old man walks up to you and calls you a hot dog. What would you
Did
think
it.
that can be? Like,